Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see sensitive content on Tumblr using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for tumblr.com. Okay, so just go ahead and enter that. Okay, so now just go ahead and log in your account. So if you don't have any account, just go ahead and create one. So now, once you've logged in your account, I want you to do is to click here at the account option at the upper part of your screen. Now click on settings. So this is the settings. So once you've clicked on settings, you want to scroll down until you see the content you see section. So now here you can see this table, right? So it says here mature. It contains content that may not be suitable for all audiences. So if you want to view any mature contents, so just go ahead and click on show. So there are three options, okay? The show, blur, and hide. So when you click on show, so you can see that all of the options is changed on show, okay? And then here, as you can see, there's this hide additional potentially mature content. So if you want to view any mature content, so just go ahead and turn this switch off. Okay? And that's it. You're good to go. And that is how you see sensitive content on Tumblr. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.